You know what I've learned from 10 years of traveling the world, having money and going to parties and being decent looking and enjoying my life? I've learned that female nature is pretty much the same in every country. If you understand female psychology, if you understand female nature, you will discover that it's a transferable skill to any country in the world. I'm filming this video outside Lidl. I could have definitely picked a better location for this video, but I don't give a shit. I've just pulled over here. I'm picking up my friend from the airport in the whip. So I decided to pull over at Lidl of all places and film the video. But the location doesn't matter. What I'm saying is more important. Given that I've traveled to all these different countries, tried it with all the different girls, slept with these girls, had girlfriends from different countries. I had Canadian girlfriends, English girlfriends, Romanian girlfriends, flings with Hungarian girls, flings with American girls, flings with Lebanese girls, flings with all types of girls, man, like Australians. What else? I think I've been through the whole damn roster. Can't think of a country that I haven't. Well, okay, fine. There's obviously a lot of countries that I haven't, right? A lot of African countries, actually. I haven't really been with many African girls, so I wouldn't know what they're like. Nor have I been with many. I have been with some Southeast Asian girls, so I know what the Eastern girls are like to a degree. But ultimately, female nature is the same everywhere you go. There are obviously nuances, so there are obviously cultural differences. Let's not get it twisted. I understand there are cultural differences. And I'm noticing that here, being in Eastern Europe, in Romania. There are cultural differences. And those are huge. Especially Romania versus Miami. There's a big difference between these girls, right? But female nature is the same in these countries. Female nature is the same in these countries. So if you understand how women work in one place, you'll understand how they work everywhere. Now, the reason why on my channel I preach understanding female nature, learning about how women operate. Fine, you want to make money. Fine, you want to be a businessman. Fine, you want to have a good body. Yeah, I get that, of course. But you need to learn how women work and how to respond to women. How to get what you want from the situation. Think about the book, The Prince by Machiavelli. He will do what it takes. Robert Greene also talks about manipulation and seduction. Now, I'm not about manipulating women, but I'm definitely about understanding women and knowing what to do in certain situations. Because girls take the piss. And if you don't know how to react, you're going to get mugged off by women. Completely and utterly mugged off by these women. So, having good energy, knowing when to ignore them, knowing when to stay silent, knowing when to text them, knowing when to treat them well, knowing when to not treat them well when they've done something wrong. And you're ultimately sort of, you know what the worst punishment is for a woman? You know the worst way you can punish a woman? Silence. Silence is the way that you punish someone when they've done something wrong to you. Distance and silence. So this video really is just to re-engage with you how imperative it is to understand female nature and that it's the same across the board in every country. Yes, there are nuances, but it's the same shit everywhere you go. Learn how to treat women in one country and you'll be able to transfer that across the whole globe.